Ugh, this damn hair. Duh. Hey guys, Shaph Sassy here. I know I look a mess. I just did my hair, at least tried. But I'm pretty late for a shoot and I just thought, why not just do my makeup, you know? So I'm not really sure if you guys knew that I had entered a competition with a designer friend of mine by the name of NuNu. So the name of his business is NuNu Designz, and it was a competition hosted by Helen G Events, and the photographer who took our photos for the dresses really loved you know, our dress, and he decided that he wanted to do a shoot with us separate and apart from the competition. We didn't get to win, but it was a really great dress, and I love the dress that won, you know, the dress that came second and third. Kudos to you guys, and congratulations. But we didn't get to win this year because we entered last year and we didn't win. Now we entered this year and we didn't win, but we're still conquerors. And you know, I mean, I just love the persistence of NuNu, and I wish him all the best in his career. As long as, you know, he's persistent, then he'll be good. So I'll be doing my makeup for this shoot, and if you guys want to see this look, just keep on watching. All right, so let's go in with our Morphe 35 OM palette. Oh, that's probably the photographer. I knew it. I told you it was a photographer. Like, I smell people. All right, so we're gonna go in with this color right here. Like I'm a white smaddy. On in with light skin. Oh, where's my music? Ooh. I love Jasmine Sullivan. Like, who doesn't love Jasmine Sullivan? I don't know what happened to her. It's like she just jumped off of the face of her with her sexy self. Alright guys, so we're gonna go in with this shade right here. And we're gonna go beneath that color right here. Sing that song, girl. You know what I ever sing? I can sing, you know. At least I try. Throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. You treat me. We're gonna be using this shade right here. So we're just gonna go into my little handy dandy palette right here. It is a combination of so many different brands, but I'm gonna go in with this black just to darken up the crease and the edges just a little bit. But I love someone else. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go back in with this color right here. The black got a little too overpowering, so we're just gonna blend it out a bit. And with the same color that we use here, we're just gonna go over our brow bone with it. One thing I really love about this brush that I used for my brow is that it has this part, so it's multifunctional for the face. So what I'm going to be doing now is making the liner with the same part of the brush, and I'm going to be using my Inglot gel liner in the shade 77. Same shade that I went in with on the crease, I'm going to put it at the edges of where this black is, right here. Now that we're done with the eyes, we're gonna go in with this simple moisturizer, and I really love it because I really heard great reviews about it, and that it's also great for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, then simple is all the way to go. We're gonna be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 368 Deep Golden. I'm going to be using the same Morphe G40 brush. So now that we have our foundation all laid down, we're going to be going in with the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Toffee, and we're just going to be putting that in the areas that we want the light to hit the face. First, and this really serves as like a highlighter on and a concealer. That's what I just love about it. We're going to be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder, and we're just going to be going all over the face with that. See that? It's not so ashy, but now we're going to tone it down some more, a whole lot more. We're going to be using the CoverGirl Queen collection. I'm going to be going in with my Jessup brush. Jessup, I don't know. It's a tapered blending, and I'm just going to be going in with the same CoverGirl powder, but I'm going to be like contouring my nose. Go up in your brows, girl. So now we're going to be going in with some highlighter. And I'm going to be going in Artist Couture in the shade Conceited. Okay, so my camera decided to complain about temperature issues. So anyway, we just went in with this on our top and bottom lashes. I have a lash extension, so I didn't bother to apply lashes. And now we're gonna be doing lips. Okay, cool. So my brown pencil is nowhere to be found, so I'm just gonna be going in with the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Maroon, and this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna be going in. I really don't want to do that, but I'm here wondering if I can just pull it off with a red lip. I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna go in with ColourPop's Creeper. I absolutely love this lippy. Oh my god, I haven't used it in so long, so let's see how this works. Now I remember why I love this lippy. Beautiful girl. I just make its teeth look white, like a piece of chalk. Tamanane, that's all. Yeah man, I'm definitely happy I went in with that red lip. It really brings life to the look. So what we're gonna do now is spray our face with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Do you see the distance, boo boo? Living my life like it's gold. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. shine bright like a diamond. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. No goody rilla. I beat them so bad. Alright, like I need to stop. Whew, I wonder if I can put some glow right in my tear duct. That's what you were missing all this time. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in with my Morph M149 and it's really small. Come save us, Lord. We have sinned against you. Thanks for calling, Shaph Sassy. Good day. Hey guys, so I really hope you like this look. I'm really feeling it and I think it will look fabulous in the shoot. I cannot wait to share the shoot with you guys and the photos from it. Thank you so much for tuning in again. You didn't have to and I'm glad you did. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and follow me on my Instagram handle and my Facebook handle. And thank you. I'll see you soon.